Mike and Laura.
Morning.
Please subscribe to our channel. Consider turning on notifications and give us some comments. Like our videos if you like them. But we need your feedback. We enjoy posting our adventures on YouTube. I hope you do also. We appreciate you watching. But another beautiful Saturday, like I said, and we are finishing up, hopefully today, the majority of the She Shed version 3 chicken coop. I'm calling it version 3. I think this is our third coop. We bought our first one. We built the second one, and out of some pallets. And then this third one, we've upped our game to Laura's requirements, and I'm hoping she's happy. Cutting some windows out on the back side of the coop today. I've got a 1.5 inch circular cut, so I've made a cut here. Then I've used my reciprocating saw to go up. So what I've had to do on this one, I've recognized I'm going to have to do 2 cuts with the circular blade, and then I'll be able to make my cuts and I'll have my windows. So that's what we're working on right now. Airflow is critical inside of a chicken coop. You need airflow, and we've got these 2 windows that we've cut out now. I've cut out the siding, and now what I'm doing is I'm using the same wire cloth that we used on our run, and I'm stapling it on the inside. Here in Tennessee, it's not cold enough, no matter what they tell you. Chickens can tolerate cool weather, cold weather. We may put some plexiglass inserts in during when we're turning the heat lamp on. We only run the heat lamp maybe 30 to 45 days. I mean, when it gets down in the teens and below, we'll turn it on. But even then, they're very, very tolerable of the cold. So, and then this down here is going to be our opening to the run. I'm going to build a door here that I can pull up and down. Here is the outside of the door. All we did was we used some siding or some wood pieces that we used going across the top of the run. We reused those. Down here, Laura wanted a rustic frame, so we cut 45s on it and built a frame. And then on the inside, I'll show you what we're going to do for our sliding door. So nothing special here. We've got that on the outside. To build our door, our sliding door for the coop, longer term we want to make something automatic, and we're looking for some options. But now we're just going to have a door with a little rope. We'll show you how we're going to do that. But what we're going to do is we're going to use these spacers here, and then we can screw into those, put them on the outside like that. Then our other piece of wood will be screwed to it, and then on the inside we'll have an easy way to slide our door up and down using these spacers. So I think about 3 on each side will do it. Close up, so we've got a screw going through, and then we've got the spacer inside. I've got it on the end, so now my door will be able to slide up and down right here. So that should work out. What you doing, honey?
Stapling.
Why do you have linoleum in your chicken coop?
So it's easier to clean out.
Easier to clean.
And then we'll put construction sand on top of it. About 2 inches thick. On top of that.
And then that'll be easier to clean when they defecate.
Yes, it'll be like cat litter. It bunches up.
Looking good. All right, nesting box time. So we got a 36-inch nesting box in width. Width we've got 14 inches, and then we're going to have this top piece here, so our boxes will be in, you'll have to do the math, 36, it'll have 3 boxes, so what's the boxes going to be? 12 inches a piece, 12 times 3 is 36, and then we'll have a piece here that will open up with some latches on that, and then a front piece. So getting the nesting boxes in today. What we used was some siding on the front. We had that, we just went ahead and used it. After all, this is a chicken coop, right? And then we used some plywood on the top. Got our 3 hinges, open up, get those eggs out of there, boys.
Look at that. So happy.